Hey, what is going on, gamers? Today we got a package opening video for you guys today. Got this one in the mail from our new sponsors. Their name is Pad Thai Gaunia, and we're just gonna get right into it and open it up and see how it goes. Oh yeah, so it's already really good boxing in there. You see that? Just open it up here. And whoa, it looks like we got, check it out everybody, a brand new pillow. Yeah, I heard that. So we're sponsored by these guys today because we wanted to bring you a new video about pillows. And let's just crack this bad boy open and see what's shakalacking. And there we have it. There we have it, folks. There it is right there. Let's just we'll put it on and I'll be right back to show you how it goes. And we're back. The fit's a little short, so I'm gonna return it and get a new one. But all around, great product. I'm not really into crop tops that much, but if this is your thing, go ahead and get it. All right, see you in the next one, gamers. Make sure you like, favorite, share, subscribe. Tweet me at David Dobrik, and outro. There's nothing. I thought it was empty.